Welcome to Slingshot Options JAAM Options Micro Swing Trading Strategy Overview and Review. This is a method that is a strategy, and we're using micro swing trading. That means we're going inside the day bars to 60. Actually, we're using 120-minute bars here, and this method gives us a precision type of strike off these micros, and we're going to go look to use options positions and look to use this precision strike setup to our advantage to go grab some profits. Now we can pop over here to the presentation page and to add a little bit more here, but you can see performance 11 weeks, 120-minute bars. And one thing I want you to see is this. It's pretty impressive. We've taken these results in a systematic way, meaning we just took trade after trade after trade set up instead of looking to optimize, pick and choose, because, of course, that doesn't really represent anything that you could go by. So we give you a more accurate representation. This is run straight on a straight run. So you can see here, it's very powerful. And the zeros equal the trades that are blanked out. That means also that we are not using stops in this method. Of course, you can. All right. And but we, to this approach, we don't, because we've noticed a couple things. And the couple things are these trades often come back, all right, and they can win, and sometimes win pretty big. But also we use our money management right up front, where we price our risk right into the trade up front, what we're willing to win or lose. So that's the picture of the performance record here. And you can see here we took the losses out down there. So we took about 2.33 on 6-week at options and of these Apple options. And so of the position we look to play. And so net options points here. So 10 contracts in almost 4 months, 17 grand, and almost 18 grand really. Then we have here 50 contracts. All right, and as you expand and your account grows over time, the concept is that you increase your position size to match the size of your account, and therefore, obviously we all want to be working up to these types of levels and beyond in a very methodic way, though. So we use positions that match the size of our account, in that those positions are fractions of the size of our account. So that's a traditional type of money management approach, but we'll go into that in detail in the course. This is definitely, I would say, another one of these must-have types of strategies. Obviously, you can see from the win percentage, but this method is a creative new type of breakthrough. We had another system strategy going for JAAM before it, and then some new idea popped up and said, hey, well, let's just put this one on JAAM. And obviously you can see it's pretty fancy. Now you can use different stocks, and of course, you can use high flyers, and we could have put a high flyer in here to show drama results, but it just happened to be Apple because, I don't know, probably had an Apple chart up. So it doesn't matter what stock you have. The great thing about this, though, again, you're going to have opportunities when there are no opportunities on the day bars often, okay? And you're going to have opportunities, of course, when the day bars are swinging as well. So this micro swing trading realm offers you a new palette of opportunities. That's going to really boost your confidence. Just understand, though, that, well, we're not using stop losses, but understand that that 25 grand pattern day trader rule thingy, which anyways, before I start commenting on that, so you just have to hold your your positions overnight if your account's under 25 grand and all that. But we don't use stops, so I mean, you should, unless you have such a dramatic profit in one day, simply you just have to hold it overnight, and that covers that. But anyways, if you're on this site, you can scroll below, click add to cart. If you're not on the site, come to Slingshot Options and look for JAAM, okay? JAAM. Thank you.